Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring numbers. Black color, blue color, green color, yellow color. The next one is red color. And last one is brown color. Kids, now we draw and coloring numbers. First we draw the number of 1 and now we use black color. O-N-E. 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3. T-H-R-E-E. The next one is 4. Now we draw 5. The number of 5. Kids, now we use blue color. Kids, now we use blue color and draw 6. The number of 6. The next one is 7. Now we draw 7. The next one is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now we use green color. Green color. Now we draw 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Kids, we again use green color. 11. Now we draw the number of 11. The next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. And now we draw 13. The number of 13. Now we use yellow color and draw 14. And the next one is 15. Kids, now we draw the number of 15. The next one is 16. Now we use red color. Red color, red color. The number of 16. Kids, now we use again red color and draw 17. And the next one is 18. Now we draw the number of 18. Brown color. Kids, now we use brown color and draw 19. The number of 19. And the last one is 20. Now we draw 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.